To find documentation for DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB, start by visiting the DigitalOcean website. Once you are on the website, navigate to the top navigation bar and click on the documentation link. This will take you to the DigitalOcean documentation page where you can find a wide range of topics related to their services. From the documentation page, use the search bar to search for Managed MongoDB. This will give you a list of relevant articles and guides that are related to DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB. You can browse through the search results to find the specific information you are looking for. Another way to find documentation for DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB is to visit the DigitalOcean product page for Managed MongoDB. On this page, you will find an overview of the service, its features, and pricing. You will also find links to relevant documentation and guides that can help you get started with using the service. In addition to the DigitalOcean website, you can also find documentation for DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB on the MongoDB website. MongoDB provides extensive documentation on how to use their database, including guides on how to use it with DigitalOcean. You can visit the MongoDB website and search for DigitalOcean to find relevant documentation. When working with DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure optimal performance and security. This includes regularly updating your MongoDB cluster, monitoring its performance, and implementing proper security measures. You can find more information on these best practices in the DigitalOcean and MongoDB documentation. In conclusion, finding documentation for DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB is straightforward. You can visit the DigitalOcean website, search for Managed MongoDB, and browse through the relevant articles and guides. You can also visit the MongoDB website for more information on how to use their database with DigitalOcean. By following best practices and referring to the documentation, you can ensure that you are getting the most out of your DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB service.